Alright, this one is going to be quick but really useful. Because the first question anyone asks when you mention OpenClaw is that just n8n, or is that just Claude Code, or is that just Open WebUI? And the answer is no to all of them. But understanding why it is no, that honestly is the fastest way to internalize what OpenClaw actually is. So let me walk through the comparisons. In the order I hear them, OpenClaw versus n8n, this is the most common confusion by far. n8n is a workflow engine. You drag boxes around, you wire them together. When an event fires, the workflow runs deterministically. That is its strength. Predictable, auditable, easy to inspect. It is a great tool, just a different tool. OpenClaw is not a workflow engine. OpenClaw is an agent. It uses judgment on every message it receives with persistent memory and channel reachability. The right framing is n8n is for when X happens, do Y every time. OpenClaw is for when X happens, decide what is appropriate. And here is the thing, these two compose really well. Really well. Your n8n workflow can call into OpenClaw when it needs a judgment call. Should we escalate this support ticket, OpenClaw can call back into n8n when it needs a side effect that should be deterministic. They are not enemies, they are layers. Next one, OpenClaw versus Claude Code. Claude Code is a command line tool. You run it in your terminal, it does a coding task, it exits. That is the whole shape. OpenClaw is a long-running gateway with multiple persistent agents, each reachable from chat apps. Different beast. These compose too. OpenClaw has something called ACP, the Agent Client Protocol, which lets you bind a Discord thread or a Slack thread to a Claude Code session. So you get Claude Code coding capabilities with the OpenClaw channel layer and persistent memory wrapped around it. So if you're sitting at your terminal and you want to fix a bug, run Claude Code. If you want the team to ping the coding agent in Discord and have it remember what you worked on yesterday, you want OpenClaw with ACP wrapping Claude Code. Same answer for Codex command line, Aider, and any other terminal-first coding agent. OpenClaw is the layer that makes them reachable and stateful across messaging surfaces. Next, OpenClaw versus Open WebUI. Open WebUI and LibreChat are self-hosted ChatGPT clones. A web app you log into, a single conversation surface, a list of installed models. OpenClaw is not a chat clone. Not really. The primary surface for OpenClaw is the chat apps you already use, not a UI you log into. So if you want a self-hosted ChatGPT, use Open WebUI. If you want an agent that answers you on Telegram and remembers what you talked about, use OpenClaw. Different problems, different tools. OpenClaw versus LangChain or CrewAI. Those are frameworks for writing agent code. OpenClaw is a product, a running gateway. If you are building a custom agent stack from scratch, write LangChain. If you want a working personal assistant gateway today with channels and memory and skills already wired up, install OpenClaw. You can call out from OpenClaw to a custom LangChain agent through a plugin. The layers do not fight. OpenClaw versus hosted ChatGPT or Claude.ai. Hosted products have a chat UI, vendor-managed memory, and a subscription. OpenClaw runs on your hardware with your data and your model provider key. The trade is you operate a service and you pay per token in exchange for ownership persistence and the ability to reach into messaging platforms that hosted products simply do not bridge to. And honestly, when not to use OpenClaw, if a hosted product covers what you need, use the hosted product. If you do not have someone willing to operate a service, do not pick a self-hosted gateway. If you need hard real-time latency or multi-tenant isolation between distrustful users, OpenClaw is not the right tool. It is a single trusted operator system. That is the design. That is the map. Reachable, stateful, self-hosted agent gateway. Composes with everything in adjacent categories. Replaces hosted ChatU is only if you are willing to operate a service. Alright? In the next module, we install it. See you there.